All right, here we go. Next, we got the eggs in, so we need to get 1 cup of our sugar. Okay, you can pour that in now. Yep, sugar. We need a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. All right, this is check this out. This is. Let me wipe this off. This is our measuring spoons.
Wow.
Let me wipe all of it off real quick. Hold on. All right. So this one right here, see how that said? That's a 1/2 tablespoon.
What's this big one doing?
Well, that one. Look at. Hold on. Look. That's what we pour to measure. We want this one. See? That's an 1/8. That's a 1/4. That's a 1/2 tablespoon. That one right there. So we want a 1/2 tablespoon. Hold that for me. I'll pour just that much salt. All right. Go ahead and pour that in. Yep. Good job. All right. Next, we need 1 tablespoon. Find me the 1 tablespoon.
Right here.
Which one?
This one?
That one? Yep, you're right. That's the 1 tablespoon. Okay. Now you gotta hold it like that for me. And I gotta pour in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Alright? So hold that still for me. Hold it right there. Hold on 1 second. I gotta take the lid off. Let me take the lid off.
Smells like cookies.
Oh, it smells good. There you go. All right. Next one is the ginger. We need the 1/4 for ginger. Show me the 1/4. That's 1/2. Next one.
This one?
Yep. That's the one. Ooh. Let me see. No, the 1/4. I'm sorry, 1/4. Ginger. This one would be. That's the 1/4 one.
This one?
Yep.
This?
This one right here. That's the 1/4. So put it right here so we don't spill it. There you go. Go ahead.
Here we go.
Good job. You want to mix that together?
Yeah.
Go ahead and mix that together for us. And I gotta get you some milk. We gotta get you a cup of milk. I gotta pour this in too. But I'm gonna go ahead and get you the milk. Alright, let me pour you 1 cup of milk. It'll help mix better. There you go. Let you do it. You pour it in. Good job. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open this can up too. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and then we can pour this in. This is for our pumpkin.
Looking good.
Looking really good. All right, here you go. I'm gonna pour this in, okay?
Alright.
Looking really good.
Let me smell it.
Pumpkin?
Yuck! Yucky! Yuck! I'm not hungry.
Once you mix it all together,
Yep.
it's gonna come out really good.
Oh, really good?
Yeah.
That's good.
I gotta get it all. We still got some left. All right, doing good, bud. Doing
Great.
really
This
good.
is great.
All right. Good job.
No, roll it.
Yep. Gotta mix that in really good, okay? Good job, Bill.
Smells good.
Is it mixed really good? Is it a really good mix? We gotta mix it good.
Yep, it's good.
Gotta have it whipped up. Really good mix, like thick. Gotta keep whips, you gotta go longer. We gotta have it really whipped. You're doing a good job. Doing a really good job. Oh, it's smelling good too. Nice.
Here we go.
My turn.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Check it out, Evan.